As upfitters, Expertec has seen it all when it comes to the flooring our customers want in place on a flat deck bed, so let's look at the advantages each material has. There's no doubt wood is popular for beds. It's relatively cheap, far lighter than steel, and easy to replace if damaged. By using pressure-treated lumber, as most manufacturers do, the lifespan is measured in years, no matter how rough the use. When you add in wood's natural tendency to flex, it softens the impact of heavy cargo, and from a safety perspective, wood is far more forgiving than a comparable surface of aluminum or steel, before putting any type of slip-resistant surface or coating on it. The simple fact is, if the floor of your flatbed is built of steel, it's going to last. Unless you spill a strong acid on it, melt it with a torch, or crush it in an intense impact. Steel's biggest drawback is its weight, which is simply a condition of that strength. Let's face it, everybody loves aluminum for its relative strength and weight, but the challenges it's faced has always been twofold. It's not as tough as steel and the costs have generally been higher than a similar steel flat deck. In the long run, any surface you choose has limitations, that's why it's critical to understand your requirements. If you're in the market for a flatbed, our suggestion is to contact the Expertec team to understand what surfaces work best in your situation.